is Nasir's class. And there's Nasir Kyei. Hi, Nasir Kyei. Nasir, where's your drums? Why don't you have your drums? Go get them. This is Nasir's class. Let them know you don't have drums, Nasir.
You know, good drummers. It's the first day of Christmas. Those things. So I found one, a black one, and I found one had a girl. And she got the black hair, and she's got her like a
Good job. Nasir's gonna get some other kind of drums. Good job. There's my baby, Nasir Kyei. That's my baby. There he is, right there. That's my honey, Nasir. Nasir Kyei at his assembly. We have to support play drums today for an assembly at his school. All right, we're about to get started. All right, Nasir. That's my baby right there. I came to celebrate my baby, honey. Classmates, they've been working very hard at this, so gotta support. And look at him with his, Nasir's the only one with these drums. You know, it's like the Lord singing him out. A Ghana man, a Dagomba man. Look at the drums. Look at how God singled Nasir out on these particular drums, not the drums of everybody else. I love it. All right, here we go.
All right. So without further ado, this is the 8th grade drumline.
All right, Nasir. Nasir is definitely his father's child. Look at him over there. Don't want to be that's my baby. All right, Nasir. That's my baby. Nasir Kyei.